In this video, I'll be discussing a congruence modulo problem. The New Year's Day of 2019 was a Tuesday. What day would be the 2014 to the power of 2016 to the power of 2018 days after this day? So this problem, you might think that we have a super high exponent, especially when we actually have two powers of exponents. So how do we do this problem? Well, we have to apply congruence modulo. So first, note that 2014 is going to be congruent to 5 mod 7. Here's why I did this. Since we want to calculate a calendar problem, which is basically how many days we are solving for, well, we know that we just need to find the number of weeks, and then the remainder is going to be which day it is. So that is why we do mod 7, because obviously there are 7 days in a week, no matter what. And we also know that 2014 divided by 7 has a remainder of 5. And since 5 is the smallest number that has a remainder of 5 when dividing by 7, we get that 2014 is congruent 5 mod 7. Now, we have changed this problem into find remainder when 5 to the power of 2016 to the power of 2018 is divided by 7. Now, even though we have, made this number a bit smaller, it still has a lot of exponents. So I'm going to make this even smaller. Next, also note that 5 cubed is going to be congruent to negative 1 mod 7. In congruence modulo problems, it is normal for us to try to make a ridiculously large number into a number congruent to it that is probably going to be negative 1, 0, or 1. In this case, we can get that 5 cubed equals to 125. And since 126 is a multiple of 7, then 5 cubed is going to be congruent to negative 1, because it is 1 less than a multiple of 7. How is this going to help? Well, then we can convert 5 to the power 2016 to the power 2018 is going to equal to 5 cubed to the power 672 to the power 2018. And this is going to be congruent to negative 1 to the power of 672 to the power 2018. Well, since it's an even exponent, it's going to be equal to congruent to 1 mod 7. And so the remainder is going to be 1. Well, what does 1 mean? 1 means that after a bunch of whole weeks, we get 1 remainder. And this 1 remainder is going to be equal to 1 day. So 1 day after Tuesday is going to be Wednesday. And Wednesdays is going to be the answer to this problem.